What's up, freedom fighters, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having a guest star on the channel. Marissa Romero is a female entrepreneur. She is living the digital nomad life and she is an incredible affiliate marketer. And so today I thought it would be really cool to have her on my channel to teach you guys exactly how she went from $0 to $50,000 affiliate marketing in less than 3 months. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you soon.
Hey everybody, my name is Marissa and Jessica. Thank you so much for that awesome introduction. That really gets me pumped up. Guys, if you guys aren't following her and subscribe to her channel, you guys are missing out. Jessica is awesome. She's an amazing female entrepreneur and crushing it. And so as we get into today's topic of affiliate marketing riches, I wanted to invite you guys to stay to the end of this video because I will be showing you guys and giving away my secrets of how you guys can duplicate and dominate my exact business model of affiliate marketing and how I was able to generate over $50,000 in income within the past 3 months. Now, for those of you who are new to the topic of affiliate marketing, let me just explain what it is real quick and the reason why it's such an amazing business model. Basically, you are the middleman connecting the buyer to a seller and you are connecting them to their product. So you sell a product that is not yours and you receive a commission from it. Now, the most popular example I could think of is selling things on Amazon. Like, those are not your products, but if you refer any product on Amazon with your affiliate link and you make a sale, you get a commission. So that's as simple as it gets. Now, I wanted to start with showing just a little couple pop-ups of my income over the past 3 months, just to show you guys that it's real, it's true. You know, this is one system that I've used, and this is another system that I promote. So I have about 4 to 5 main income streams with my affiliate marketing products. So what I like to do is market affiliate products that, one, have recurring commissions. So you're marketing a product where people have to pay for a monthly membership, and also I like to market products that have high ticket sales. So what does that mean? That means that you earn a commission of at least $1,000 or more. And that is how I've been able to be successful online, is having a mix of both the recurring commissions and the high ticket affiliate sales. And so I also market my own online digital course on my YouTube channel. So I have an income stream for that. And I also create income for myself with, of course, ad revenue from my YouTube channel. So the Google ads and promotions that play on my channel give me a source of income every single month. So first, I wanted to start with affiliate marketing is not for lazy people. Building an online business in general is not for lazy people. I could tell you, of course, Jessica could tell you, you know, she's built, you know, an e-commerce empire. You have to be willing to grind through the hard times, just because, like with anything that you get started, in the beginning, things are really slow. Everything is extremely slow. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to keep pushing. I failed. I wasted a lot of money for the first 1.5 years of this online business thing until I figured it out. Okay, but I promise you, if you stick with it, whether it takes you, you know, 3 months, 6 months, a year, hell, 2 years. I mean, that's only 2 years out of your life to have a successful online business, an asset that is tangible for the rest of your life that you can use to bring you whatever it is you desire into your life. So with that being said and out of the way, let's talk about step number 1 on how to attain your affiliate marketing riches. And that is, of course, with a strategy. Now, it may be obvious because I already talked about affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing is going to be your strategy. It is going to be your vehicle to building your online business. And why do I choose affiliate marketing? Because I believe it is the #1 way for people with no experience to get started online. And I'll talk about why in a second. But basically, you don't need to develop your own product. You don't need to invest money into testing your product. You don't need to invest money into employees. You simply market other people's products and see what works and converts for you. So that, you guys, is #1. That is the strategy, okay? And number 2 is mindset. Now, this is number 2 and should be actually number 1 because as I mentioned in the beginning, you need to be strong. You have to be able to persevere through those hard times and eventually work your way up to when you're getting ready to leave your 9 to 5. It's going to mess with your head. Trust me, it's the most nerve-wracking thing ever. I remember when I left my job, I was freaking out, but my mindset was strong. I knew that I was going to be able to crush it, so I went ahead and said goodbye to the 9 to 5. But really, you have to do those manifestations. You have to do those affirmations. It wasn't until I started manifesting and affirming what I wanted, what my goals were, what I pictured for myself every single day, and I would say them out loud. My affirmations would look a little something like this, like today, I'm awake. I woke up in my beautiful villa in Bali, Indonesia. I just got a commission check for $3 grand. I'm gonna work for 2 hours, send out an email, and go on about my day. I would manifest what I wanted and affirm those things, and that is what helped me keep my mind positive throughout this whole process. Because let me tell you, in the beginning, I had negative income. I was struggling. My savings account was going down and down and down. I was like really worried. The only hope I had to believe in was knowing that I was working my ass off and knowing that I was going to get there and believing and trusting the process that I was doing. So personal development, books, manifestation, affirmation, that is all crucial. So that's number 2 with mindset. Number 3, you have to pick a profitable niche with affiliate marketing. Now, any niche could be profitable, but of course, the most profitable ones right now are fitness, health, wealth, relationships, the niches where people have the most problems. So if you can solve a problem in any one of those categories or markets, you're in good hands. But don't worry if you don't fall into one of those categories. You should pick a niche that you are actually passionate about or perhaps have an expertise, because that is going to be what you're working with every day. Step 4 is picking a product or service that you believe in to market, and that is why it is important to have some familiarity in the niche that you choose, because if not, you're not gonna look great to people that are visiting your website or your channel or whatever, wherever you're building your brand. They're gonna be able to see right through you. So let's say maybe you're a relationship coach or you have experience and you're really good at giving relationship advice, but you want to market products in the fitness niche because you know it's competitive and profitable. People are going to see right through you when you're trying to promote a protein or a fitness digital course or whatever it is. So stick to what you know, okay? Please stick to what you know and go into a niche and pick products that fall into the category and niche and market that you like. And number 5 to affiliate marketing riches is, of course, building a brand and building an influence. Now, whatever type of business you have on this planet, you have to build your brand. You have to know. What does that mean? That means building up a following where you can have influence in a particular topic. Now, having influence is not as crazy as it sounds. It just literally means that your brand and your business represent something that you can give value in. So, for example, with this channel, I am branding myself as somebody, as the expert, as the go-to person that you can depend on to help you build an affiliate marketing business. On my YouTube channel, I'm posting weekly, several times a week, on how to do sales funnels, how to build an online business, how to do email marketing, all that type of stuff, because I know how to do it and I'm sharing my value with my audience, and that is how I'm able to grow my brand, build authority, build trust with people who are coming to me for help. And not every video on my channel is going to help everybody. I get a lot of haters. That's another thing with as your brand grows and your following goes, you are going to get haters, and that is a great sign, okay? There is somebody out there that I know is getting value from one of the videos that I'm putting out, and that is why I do it. Not everybody's gonna like every single piece of content you put out, and that is fine, because I know that somebody out there is going to benefit and it's going to resonate with them and it's going to help them in their next step in progressing to building their online business. Number 6 to setting up your affiliate marketing riches is, of course, building up a marketing system. What does that mean exactly? Okay, so you have your products, you have your brand, you have everything, you're like, okay, now what? What you need to have now is a system where you're able to collect leads so that those leads can go onto an email marketing platform or software, because you're going to have to do email marketing to your potential visitors and customers, because it's just a proven fact in our industry that most people do not buy a product on the first sight of a product. You have to email market and follow up with them at least 7 times with email, because people hardly ever buy on the first sight of seeing a product. It's just industry standard. So you're going to need an email marketing platform, and you're going to of course need a sales funnel building platform. Now don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to explain how I go into depth with this more, but I want you guys to get the full picture and understanding of what this looks like. So a marketing system means you have a consistent way to collect leads, to market to them later, and you collect leads by having a sales funnel, a landing page, or also known as a squeeze page, to collect people's names and emails. The last and final thing you'll need, and this is number 7, I think, and that is of course traffic. Now of course you need to understand there's 2 types of traffic. There's paid traffic and there's organic and free traffic. I recommend to people starting with free and organic traffic because you don't want to jump into paid advertising when you're trying to learn the fundamentals of how to run an online business, because it could be very, very overwhelming when trying to understand the data, investing the money, and not really knowing, if you don't know the basics of building a sales funnel and that type of thing. I would encourage you to go the free and organic way. So you could do that with Instagram, you can do that with YouTube. Those are the top 2 platforms that I recommend because they're really the most powerful right now. Now I know there's a bunch of new social media platforms like TikTok and Firewall and Live Me or whatever they're called, for the kids. But right now, YouTube and Instagram are very dominant. That is how I drive my traffic, primarily with YouTube. And the next step personally for my business is to start running paid advertising with YouTube ads. And I've been doing this for a while. I know how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, but the next step for me is paid traffic with YouTube ads. So for those of you that have been patiently waiting and have gone through all these steps with me, I thank you. And to reward you guys, I want to invite you, it'll be somewhere in the link in Jessica's description, to get access to one of my courses completely for free. And it's a video training series that explains all of this more and more in depth, so you guys can get on the right path to building your affiliate marketing business and getting that off the ground and running and duplicating my business model. All I ask in return is that you guys give me a subscribe and like on a couple videos of my channel, and that's it. Spread the love, spread this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Jessica's channel. She's awesome. All right, Jessica, now back to you.
So I hope that you guys found this video super helpful and you found some strategies that are going to help you build your online business. Make sure you go on her channel because I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can start dropshipping in 2019. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, and I will see you guys soon on another video.